Hello viewers, welcome to this episode of Naija Food Tube. Today I'll be sharing my recipe for making my tasty akara. For this tasty treat, we'll need 800 grams of brown beans, 2 bulbs of onion, any seasoning cube of your choice, Scotch bonnet, some crayfish, some vegetable oil, and some salt. To begin this recipe, I'll pour my bean in a bowl and soak for like 15 to 20 minutes. And as you can see, some particles floating. You can remove them, pick them out. Some people prefer using warm water just to make the beans soft before they start peeling. Whichever method works for you, suits you. After about 15 minutes of soaking, I add more water and begin to scrub thoroughly until the whole skin begins to fall off. I sift off the excess skin and repeat the process severally until all the skins are off and our bean becomes pure white. As you can see, the bean is thoroughly peeled. Now I'll blend the crayfish lightly. Now it's time to blend the bean. I'll divide my bean into two. I'll blend the first half without the pepper and the other half with the pepper and the onion. As you can see, the texture of my blended bean is not too smooth. I prefer it this way to give me that thickness. Mix thoroughly together with a spatula or your native turning stick as I'm using. Add your seasoning cube. You may prefer to dissolve the seasoning cube in a little warm water. Add some salt to taste, but be careful not to add too much. Add your blended crayfish. Make sure it's not too smooth because I usually want to have a crunchy feel of the crayfish in the akara. Mix thoroughly again. Heat your vegetable oil for about 3 minutes. Using your scoop spoon, begin to fry. Allow to fry for like 2 to 3 minutes before flipping to the other side. Allow to fry for another 3 minutes until it turns golden brown. As you can see, my delicious akara is ready. It's time to remove the akara. I like placing it on a white baking paper to remove excess oil. As you can see, the akara is well fried inside out. Akara is a lovely treat that can be served along with pap, bread, gari, or custard. I hope you enjoyed making this video with me. Kindly give us a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell in order to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.